The Tesla factory in Fremont, California, produced the 2 millionth electric car. Model 3 became the Jubilee copy, accordingly, under the number 2 million. Tesla CEO Elon Musk congratulated the team at the Tesla Fremont factory for this opportunity, as well as Giga Nevada, which supplies components to Fremont, including the 2170 batteries for the Model 3 and Model Y. In addition to the Model 3, the company in Fremont, as a reminder, also produces the Model Y, Model S, and Model X. In general, the entire model range. In total, Tesla has already produced and delivered more than 2.9 million Tesla vehicles since 2008, when the original Tesla Roadster was launched. The rest of the 900,000 cars were almost entirely sold at the Tesla Giga in Shanghai. Tesla cars are also being produced in Berlin, but the volumes there are still quite small.